Welcome to all. We have an opportunity from the NVIDIA, which is a software engineering internship. You can observe here. So, Bangalore location, software engineering candidate will be responsible for supporting 8 days in the full time. So, వాళ్ళ functionalities ఇక్కడ చూసారు internship algorithms, data structures, ఈ areas idea ఉండాలి. And then strong academic background, pursuing B.Tech or MTech in computer science, and understanding of program C, C++, Python, okay, and Java, daily plus in Java. So these are the requirements. If anybody interested, those who are pursuing the B.Tech, anybody can apply to this. Link is posted in the description box. You can enjoy you can utilize the opportunity, and also you can forward to your friends also.